Then friends, today we have the newspaper of 5th July 2024. First news is about the stampede case of Hathras. In that case, the stampede take place in Hathras district of Uttar Pradesh, where the number of religious people who gathered in a program, and the permission given by the authority is not matched. The number of people gather over there are far higher than the permission given to the organizer, and when this stampede take place, there is the outcome of death of peoples. Now there is question rise, who is accountable for the death of these innocent people? In downing these situations and going on heavy investigations, the UP government held 6 people, including the godman Dev Prakash Madhukarkar. The investigation is going on, and I will be update you regarding the update and the change in this case. Now move on to the second news, and it is about Hemant Soren sworn in as Jharkhand Chief Minister. Next news is about India's Foreign Affairs Ministry. Jaishankar meet Wang Yi, says LAC must be respected. As of now, the SCO summit is going on, and on the sideline of summit, our Honorable External Affairs Ministers meet with the Chinese counterpart Wang Yi. Wang Yi, and why the Indian counterpart raised this point? Because for prosperous country and progress of nation, we need calm and peace border, and we have to accept that the China, as being a bullying power, is challenging to maintain peace and calm with the Chinese border. Now our foreign affairs ministers address this issue, and I hope that there is some normalcy in the border, and both the country work in progress. Now move on to the third news, that is about the election take place in the UK. Recently, UK is going on elections. There is the party, that is Labour Party, project to the oust Sunak government in UK poll, and Rishi Sunak, the Indian origin Prime Minister of UK, is going to be trouble and going to be replaced by his oppositions. Move on to the next news. Naidu meet Modi, seek central aid, and he seeks central aid to building Amravati. Now talking about the editorial page, this editorial of 5th July 2024 talk about computer literacy in India need a reboot, and this is a good article to read. It talk about the age specific need and approach for the computer literacy, and also talk about the 20 around with 30 to 40% need in rural, their statistics about urban data, and the by increasing our computer literacy we can ensure productivity, and we can ensure the growth and we can prevent our the fraud, that is modern day fraud going on. So you can read this article, it is very beneficial. Next is about the safe of a 5-year climate agenda for India. This editorial is talk about India's greater role for climate change, as India recently held the G20 presidency, and the way India deal with the climate and address the issue of global importance, which is very much appreciating, and the India's commitment for upcoming years regarding becoming net zero is very welcoming and very hope giving for rest of the world. And in this article it talk much deeply talk about this concept. You shall read it, it is very knowledgeable and very like give you insight about climate and geopolitics. Next is dangerous pre- precedent, shielding presidents from answering for crime subvert rule of law. This editorial talk about the Donald Trump event and the involvement in the Capitol Hill accident. In the previous election of US, one election is that going to be held in November, and the before this the Joe Biden presidency, where Donald Trump refused to transfer of power to accept the result given by the people of US. And in that case, there is a jury established by the uh, judicial system of US, which give presidential immunity to the US president. And the decision, this article talk about how it should be implemented and how it impact should be given kind of this kind of immunity to individual or not. Move on to the next news. It talk about the risk of internationalization spread of wild type 1 polio case from Pakistan is great. In Pakistan, the country is facing from economical crisis. Their rule and regulation is on low, and they need a political stability. And here in this all circumstances, there is a lack focus toward the health and care, health and the sanitations, due to which there is a case grave concern of rising this international spread of wild type 1 polio. By the way, polio is all is wiped out from across the world. Most of the country has wiped out the polio except the Pakistan, and if it can be possible that from Pakistan it can re-emerge to the rest of the world. This news article is talk about India reviews Myanmar policy in the view of the humanitarian crisis. In this, it gives argument in the favor of how India's policy change from time to time, and what is the key aspect where we should follow regarding the policy formation of Myanmar. One is the for have good relation with the junta leader, and second, we support the democracy. And in this article it talk about how we can bring more cordial relations with the junta leader, as well as supporting the democracy with the people of Myanmar. Move on to the next news is chronic lynching chronologing parliamentary proceedings over the time. There have been many obvious and some imperceptible change in parliament. It talk about the change in the first session when Central Industrial Security Force took over the security of Parliament complex. It talk about the changes that take place in the Lok Sabha, or the regarding their internal formation of leader of oppositions, or their a way of expression of thanks to the prime minister, to the president's speech. Next news is about the lack of leadership at TIS. Why did over 100 staff members at the Tata Institute of Social Science receive termination letters, which after 2 days were withdrawn? Is there a leadership void at the Premium Social Science Institute? How has this affected the student as well as the staff? Next news is about what went wrong with the Hajj pilgrimage this year, because we know that there is a high number of deaths observed during the Hajj pilgrimage this year. Move on to the next news is India US share goals to prevent Ukraine conflict from spreading. He is the US ambassador to India, Eric Garcetti, and Why is saying so? That recently the SEO meeting is take place in which India, China, and Russia are the country members that are sharing views with each other, and this kind of statement are often given by US to build pressure so that they ensure India not get much closer to the Russia or to the anti US forces. Next important news is about Army Chief review prevailing security dynamics in Jammu. Recently, Chief of Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi has taken the charge of Army Staff, and he start visiting the Indian defense commands and defense infrastructure. In this row, he visit to the Jammu and Kashmir. Then he talk about the modernization and unifications and the coherence among three forces. Move on to the next news. Congress demand a white paper on Agnipath scheme. To quell Agniveer controversy, BJP filed Bhadoria. As we know that the Agniveer scheme has been in issue continuously. Government point of view is that they just give this scheme as an tour of duty and multiple career options after upgrading the skill of an Agniveer. The oppositions said that this scheme impact the patriotic spirit of warriors of soldiers, and it disrespect the martyrs. It just do not give proper justice to the peoples after martyrations and after like having off from duty. Next news is about Imphal residents slam PM speech demand tangible sting for peace. Friend, very soon I will bring a video on Imphal Manipur case and the Agniveer scheme. Assam flood. 6 more die as told since May mount to 52. Assam, a state of India which is in northeast, and Brahmaputra river flow through Assam. In this in this monsoon season, Brahmaputra is on rise, and which case flood in Brahmaputra. And that flood right now case 6 more death in Brahmaputra, and at least 7 districts of Arunachal Pradesh cut off due to landslide. 8 persons, including 2 children, killed in rain-induced landslide and flood in Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. In monsoon, the connectivity of whole northeast is quite challenging. Government and as well as the big business giant need to focus and more connectivity and development in northeast so that the people of northeast feel integrated with rest of the India, and not feel but in reality, in actuality, they connected and they easily go for development in hand to hand with the rest of India. Next news is about Brahmaputra lone female gharial long wait for a mate could end soon. Next news is about NCERT textbook delay issue. Minister hold review meeting. Industry Ministry pushes for lower duties on input imports. GST is still far from simple. Former CE Subramanian. You should just have one cess rate and one standard rate and one low rate, say the former CEA. Port congestions, container dearth, freight costs hit export. As sugar stock rise, ISMA call for the lifting of export curb. Partnering with top Indian Institute on Decarbonization Research and Development, Indian Institute of Science, IIT Madras, National Chemical Lab and TERI among the top partners. Cell. Dr. Reddy and Sons Pharma recalling a drug each in US. LIC raised shareholding in IDFC First Bank to 2.68%. LIC ropes in 80 Carne for agency revamping.